We present you our cheek mirror and its correct use. We recommend having one mirror per cheek, as these must be adapted for each cheek. Adjust the mirror to the left cheekbone. Fold the left side of the temple inwards a little, towards the mirror, and push the other side outwards, so it fits well to the cheekbone. We cut approximately 1 inch of tape, place it on the right corner of the mirror's temple, the one closest to the nose, and stick it on. With this position we can work on the eyelashes that go from the outer corner to the center. To see the eyelashes from the inner corner to the center, we must move the mirror. This should be crushing the nostril. To work on the right eye, the right side of the mirror pin will go backwards and the left side inwards towards the mirror. This will help to better adapt to the cheekbone. To work the internal commissure, we must detach the mirror and move it towards the nostril. We place another ribbon of similar size, about 1 inch, to better hold the mirror. Another way to use the cheek mirrors is to place a nose mask over the client's nose, adapting the mask wire to her nose. The mask will help us to hold the mirrors without using tape. Remember that you can adjust the mirror pins to your taste. You can adjust the position of the mirror to your taste and needs. Remembering that, to work the inner corner of the nose, the mirror should be very close to the nostril, and for the outer corner more towards the opposite side of the nose. With the cheek mirror we can check in detail the design line, that there are no higher eyelashes or unfilled hollows. Another benefit of the cheek mirror is that, while we are working, it allows us to more easily identify the layers. This is a medium layer lash. And this one, a high layer lash. Thank you for purchasing our cheek mirror by Cody Wang. If you don't have it yet, please contact us.